Oh, she remembered. She remembered to turn on her microphone. Well, I only did it for half the video. Half the video I remembered, half the video I forgot. So today we did a Valentine's Day look. I guess I should do a thumbnail, right? I had so much fun with it. I did a pink lip. I don't do that often. I need to do it more often. I love this. We did a pink look on the eyes. I just think it's so flirty. It's just so cute. Ooh, ooh, look at the highlight. Ooh. Girl, we had fun with it, and that's what I love to do. We played with this was the first time I used the Huda Beauty palette. So like fun. I loved this. I used this shade, and then I used these. No, I used these two shades, and then I used this little cranberry shade, and then I used this by my brow bone. And I had so much fun with it. It was so good, pigmented. Quality was very nice. This packaging is so cute. It's so little. It's like the size of my hand. Like you can just take it with you on vacation. It was just so great. I definitely will be using this a little bit more. I just thought it was perfect for a Valentine's Day look because it's literally like all pinks. It's just so cute. Like this is just like, how could you not? So I thought this was very fitting for a Valentine's Day look. So I really like this palette. I think I'm gonna play with it a little bit more, but I really like it. I'm not Jeffree Star, so I have no power to approve anything, but I thought it was a good palette. I did a very affordable lip too. I used Ulta and NYX on my lip. Yeah. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So now that we're like zoomed in and nice and personal, for all the people that keep asking for a skincare routine, have you watched any of my YouTube videos? Have you seen the before I get nice and pretty? I do as much as I can. It's not that great. I mean, have you seen my skin? Maybe I'll do it in the summertime, because in the summertime my skin is usually a little bit better than this. Anyways, we're moving on. Did you see it? Maybe. Born This Way concealer. We're gonna pop that on just a little bit. We're gonna take a little JH08 brush. We're gonna get a nice little base. Mark out all the discoloration, all the lack of sleep, all the veins, all the imperfections. We're just gonna get a nice little basey base. Then I'm gonna take Maybelline Fit Me powder in 05 Fair. I just got that all over my desk. It's everywhere. Whatever. I'm just going to set that concealer. Whatever. And then I'm just gonna take these cute little buddies, these little boop boop boop. I'm gonna go back and forth because I want like a peachy pinky color as a transition shade kind of thing. And we're gonna start with that. I don't know how pigmented these shadows are, so we're gonna find out together. Should I zoom you in even more? Oh my god, you just get to see everything. Okay, whatever. So I'm just gonna, ooh, wow. Well, she's pigmented. I'm just going to start by dabbing those onto my little eyeballs. That's a nice little something. So now, cool. So I'm gonna take this cute little blending brush, the JH40, because the M506 has black in it. That's not gonna work. Sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me either, it's okay. I'm gonna take that cute, oh, you can't even see it. I'm gonna take this cute, well, let me just get rid of that. I'm gonna take this cute little peachy shade, and I think I'm gonna like try to blend that to make it like More flattering? Yeah, we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna do little circular motions. Okay, that looks rough. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna go back with the M433 brush and we're just gonna start building that product again. And we're just gonna repeat those 2 steps until they're vibrant and pretty, and then I feel better about the look. So I'm gonna take this lighter shade and I'm gonna try to mix that in by just patting over it real quick with the JH40 brush. Yeah, the JH40. I'm just gonna try to lighten that because it's too dark. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in with the M433 and we're just gonna keep building this until I'm happy. And I think if I ever am so bold, I'm gonna add a little bit of this darker shade to just deepen it, like this tiniest bit. I'm gonna mix all 3 of those shades together. I just want to deepen it just like the slightest bit, just to have it pop just a little bit more. And then taking that very light shade once again, I'm just going to sweep over the edges. Alright, it's mediocre at its best. And now we're going to just cut the crease, see where it goes. Ooh, just bumped my lighting. I'm going to cut the crease, see what happens after I cut the crease. I've never done a look like this, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Just trying my best. I'm just gonna take it on a flat brush and I'm just gonna do what I always do, which is kind of sloppily layer on the bottom, roll my eyes, and then fill out the rest. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of that Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm just going to get it all over my face by setting my eye. And now it's everywhere. Cool. And then I'm gonna take, oh, not that. I'm gonna take this NYX. I'm just gonna take this NYX glitter primer. Y'all already know, or maybe you don't know. I'm gonna take that on the back of my hand, and then take the same brush that we used for the concealer. I'm just gonna pat, pat, pat out. I'm gonna take this as my eyes closed. Isn't this cute? I'm gonna take this little shade right here on my finger. And ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my god. Ooh, I like this. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay. And then some Morphe little spray. And I'm gonna do the edges. I don't know if you can see, but that shadow is so pretty. Okay, so let's try to blend this to make it look better. I'm gonna take the dark shade mixed in with these two, and I'm gonna try to blend that. But seriously, the shade is so pretty. I'm gonna do it one more time just to see like if that'll do any oomph. Oh, that's so pretty. It's got like a pink shift to it. It's like a gold pink. I think I'm gonna do a liner though. I think I am gonna do a liner. Does anybody else like not breathe when they do liner? Like it's just not healthy. Oh, I was like, why is the mirror foggy? There's one of these on it. I was like concerned. I was like, is the room foggy? Like what's, oh my god, I'm so stupid. Whatever. I'm just gonna put some mascara on. So this is kind of like just the beginning of the look. It's pretty rough at this point. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. I'm gonna do the base, lips, no, just the base. I'll come back for lips and lower lash line. I'm gonna do a full face this month. I know it's gonna happen. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a get ready with me kind of thing. Beginning, or not the beginning. I'll do it this month. Sometime one of the videos this month, okay? But I'm gonna do all that and then I'll be right back.
Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Hey, Casey. Hey. Turn your microphone on. Yeah, I know you're adjusting the camera, but honey, you gotta turn the microphone on. You never, ever remember. Look at this. Ready? Watch. I'm gonna start talking. No one's gonna hear anything. Look at that. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry. Literally, you would think that I would remember to turn on my microphone, but I didn't. I'm sorry. So welcome to the voiceover that is now taking place. So basically all I was saying is look at me, I did the rest, I did my base, I did my other eye off camera, look at me, just going. And at this moment I'm live streaming on my TikTok, and for all the people that I shouted out on this video on TikTok, all of their usernames are going to be in the description box below. We were having a good time. The live stream was going. I was having so much fun with it. Look at it. Look at me, just having so much fun. So all of their usernames are going to be linked in the description box below. But all I'm doing is I'm taking a liner brush, and I think I'm going to take this cranberry shade. Yeah, look at that. That's what I did. And like a lot of my lower lash lines, I just take that and I just put that as my starting base. Alright, and then I'm just going to take this little pencil brush. I think it's a JH40, I don't really know. I used it earlier in the video, and I'm just going to take that and I'm going to start buffing out that harsh line that we got going on our lower lash line right now. I don't think there's product on it. I think eventually I do add product, but I think at this moment there is no product on the brush. Alright, and then I'm going to be taking those two shades, mixing them together, and then I think I'm just going to further blend out the bottom lash line. Alright, and then I'm going to do this fun little thing. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, take the shade Creamsicle. I love doing this. Jaclyn Hill recommended to do it. I have such a fun time doing this. I just take this and I put it underneath all those shades just to kind of like highlight them. And then from here on out, I'm just repeating all of those steps and deepening up everything that I just did. And surprise, I put lashes on. Look at me, I put them on. Anyways, and now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to take off all the crap from my foundation and powders to make it easier when you put on lipstick. Okay. Alright, so then I'm just taking this NYX lip pencil. Forgive me, I don't know what shade it is, but I'm just going to take that and I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm just going to take this Ulta lipstick and I'm going to throw that on top. And then I'm just going to take this Ulta lip plumping gloss and I'm going to throw that on the center. And then I just took some Champagne Pop from Becca and threw on some highlighter to finish up the look. And as I was filming my outro, this is the exact moment I realized my microphone wasn't turned on. Look.
Ha! Oh my god. I did it again. I promise one day I'm going to learn to turn on my microphone. I promise. One day I'll learn. One day. I'm just glad I just now realized. I just now realized. Okay, anyways, but let me do this whole spiel again, right? So like this video if you found anything helpful or if you liked it just in general. Comment down below if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or if you want to do a video suggestion for my next video. Subscribe to this growing family, this very cute and loving family. We have a little tiny family and I love it so much. But we're 120 I think subscribers strong and we keep on growing, baby. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you share this video on any of the social platforms, just tag me so that I see it and I'll shout you out on my next video.